So we've been covering Supreme for a minute, people, and this is the Spring Summer 2022 lookbook. We're doing things a little bit different. Honestly, I got the green screen behind me, new computer in front of me. We're doing shit completely upgraded. Let me know if you guys do like the quality, because I'm honestly not even using an actual camera. Right now, I'm using the webcam on the M1 iMac, which I am going to be unboxing in a video for you guys soon. But today we're going to be covering the Spring Summer 2022 lookbook. I'm gonna go over some of my favorite pieces. I don't want this video to be 20 to 30 minutes long. I know y'all see all the tabs up there. Obviously, for certain categories, I'm gonna cover everything. Leave a like on this video. Subscribe if you're trying to see more Supreme streetwear or sneaker content. I got a bunch of shit coming for y'all. Low-key might even do reactions soon. Let's see if we could get at least 100 to 150 likes on this video. But with all that being said, let's get straight into it. So obviously, you got the lookbook. I don't really go through these that often. I'm gonna zoom through it for y'all real quick. Little puffy jacket right here, little glove action. We just gonna zoom. Ooh, that jacket is hard. I did pull that one apart. I think that one's fire. Puffy coat, I don't know how I feel about that one. Is the T Supreme. All I want to know. Leather jacket, we good on that. There's a bunch of shit going on. Those pants are alright. The credit card joints, those look fire. You got the Yeezy mask shit going on. Ooh, Silver Surfer, that's actually not bad. That's cool. That's cool. That jacket's kind of different. If the yellow was like a more cream color, that shit would be hard. Don't know how I feel about that color though, but wow, I don't know, bro. Like, I feel like everybody got their pieces. This jacket is actually hard, I'm not gonna lie. I do like the cut of it and the way that the hood is on it. Definitely solid. OD for me. I don't even know about all that. That varsity jacket ain't too bad. I don't really wear that. Ooh, this one's hard. That's fire. Oh, this shit got a whole book bag on the back. What the f? Y'all already know Vanson should be hella expensive. I actually picked this one out too. These jackets are clean. The track jackets, I ain't even know they glowed in the dark. Ooh, that's hard. That's hard. All right, and that ends off the little lookbook. Let's close that off and get into the preview though. So the whole top row I'm good on. I'm not even gonna lie. This puffy jacket looks clean. All three colors. I like the design on the vest. I feel like they did some pants with that I honestly really did like. Besides that, honestly, jackets was tripping. These go hard. This design on this one, I don't know, bro. Honestly, I picked the ones that I like. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. First, we got the Dash Snow short sleeve top. This one stood out to me honestly because it gives me taxi driver vibes, some New York shit. Honestly, that's what I was raised in. I'm not even gonna lie. Homies over here skating with some dunks on. Shit just looks clean, and honestly, this is something that I would pay that top price for. If y'all know, Supreme does tees and then they have their tops, which is probably like double the price. Honestly, I would pay it for this. It's an all over print. It looks like some fire ass vintage looking ass shit, and for a first piece I think it's hard. First we had the Dash Snow, which honestly I think was fire. Second up, you got the Silver Surfer button up. This one did come in two colorways if I'm not mistaken. There's this black one too. That multicolor though, I feel like you got to pull that off right. This can be really loud, but if you mute it down the right ways, it could possibly be cool. This Aeon Flux varsity jacket, I don't know why I put it in here honestly. I just like the way that the armory looks on there. I like the way that the red looks with the brown leather. I don't know, it's like a 70s inspired varsity jacket, so I think it's cool. I like the cut on it and shit, but I don't know if I'd pay that $400 price point that I'm assuming this shit's gonna be at, so we good on that shit. This glow in the dark track jacket, bro, I was talking about it earlier. This is fire. I didn't even know it was glow in the dark until now, and that shit is hard, bro. The black one is beautiful. We gonna get that shit for sure. That black one or the olive, I don't even know about the pink, not gonna lie. Next, there's this denim jacket which comes in three colors, bro. Honestly, that brown one is gorgeous. I'm not even gonna lie. That blue one is clean too. Low-key, I would go for either color. I don't even care, but that brown one is beautiful. You don't normally see brown denim jackets, and this one just looks clean. I love the placement of all the pictures on a denim jacket too, like printed pictures on a jacket. That's hard, bro. Like, it's clean, especially in that brown. I'm trying to tell y'all, I'm gonna try to go for the brown first. Like, this is for sure an item I'm gonna go for. This is the Daido Moriyama collab. I'm probably butchering this shit, but they do have the pants to go with it, and these are some of the pictures that are on the jacket. I feel like it's so clean, bruh. It even has a box logo on a pair of denim pants. Shit is hard. It has pictures on the front and the back of it. Honestly, bruh, these might be the best pants Supreme has dropped. In that brown, I'm trying to tell y'all. Then we got that blimp shit that I spoke about earlier. It is a little bit louder, so I don't know how often I would wear a piece like this. I don't know if I want to have fireworks, a blimp, a football field, and a football stadium on the back of my jacket. I just thought thought it was cool, and a lot of people are gonna like this. But this one, on the other hand, the Umbro track jacket in this plum color is beautiful. I love the Supreme branding on the front. This raised hand style hooded sweatshirt looks fire. I like it in that red, that purple, maybe the black or that tan color, but I think it's cool. Let me know what y'all think about that one. We got these pants, which I think are hard, bro. Like, these 3 colors must cop. I love the black or the cream more than anything. I feel like the colors on the designs look better than the muted version, and I love the double knee panel that they put on the front of these as well. We got the gummo hooded sweatshirt in 4 colors. That brown one is my favorite one. I honestly don't know what it says on the back. I don't know what the fuck that says, but I'm not even gonna try to read it. Honestly, that brown color looks clean. Love the little box logo on the front of it. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Probably one of the better hoodies that are dropping. People gonna go for it. There's this East Broadway all over print. This one looks fire. It looks like one of those tattoos that you get when you 15. And then on the rest of it, I just see New York. That shit is hard. You got the little rose with the heart behind it. It looks like a tattoo hoodie. Let me know what y'all think about this one. We do got the Doves hooded sweatshirt. This one basically says long live Supreme. Fire, bro. This is the same Doves picture that they put when somebody passes away. It's a nice play by Supreme. 3 colors. Honestly, the baby blue is my favorite. Second, I would go with that black one, but I don't think I would go for the black one. Probably just the blue. We got the rhinestones sweater right here. This is rhinestones all over this bitch. Honestly, that black one is probably the best one. Black or the navy. What the fuck is this? What is this? Let me know down below why they have a stitched jersey on a hoodie. They should at least let you remove that bitch off the hoodie. Like, why is it on there permanently is a question I will forever have in my head when I see this shit. This shit is just ass in every color. Like, we gonna skip past this. We got the bling box logo hoodies. If y'all know, Supreme did drop these a little minute ago. People sleep on the bling box logo. Honestly, I really do like this design. That brown color is amazing. Honestly, I love brown lately. It's been going hard, and I'm trying to add more brown pieces into my wardrobe little by little. I'm not trying to flood the market, you feel me? We definitely trying to add some more of those. This one did come in this multicolor navy. I feel like they've never done this before, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. This navy color does look clean. Would I go for it? Honestly, not really, bruh. I honestly just want the brown color. If the black has that same style from the brown one, and then that gray one, solid. I feel like resale for these short term might not be there, but in the long run, it possibly will go up, simply because I feel like Supreme is on a little right now, but we don't know what's going on. I feel like these are clean, and I'm still gonna go for it. And at the end of the day, wear what you like, bro. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, hey, fuck it. To secure most of these hyped upcoming releases, like the box logos and the possible Supreme Burberry collab that might be coming out, I suggest you guys to check out Addict. They've had a lot of success when it comes to previous box logo releases, like the Tiffany BOGO, the hoodies, bandana box logos. There's proof on the screen right here. They're one of the most reliable and fastest iOS bots on the market. Let me run through some of the features that Addict 3.0 has to offer. They got bot support, so you're gonna be able to bot on all Shopify sites, including Yeezy and Supreme. There's monitors, so now Addict lets you monitor hyped releases like Travis Scott Jordans, PS5s, and whenever they restock, you have a chance at auto checking out. There's the raffle section, which basically has a bunch of hyped releases and different sites that you can enter to boost your chances at winning. There's custom post notifications, restock mode, unlimited tasks, NFT support, guides, and even a free Discord group free of charge for all Addict 3.0 users. Addict 3.0 is packed with a bunch of new features, so I highly suggest you guys to go ahead and click the link in the description, addict.io. It's going to be on the screen as well. Copies do sell out fast, and demand is going to be high for 3.0, so make sure you go ahead and sign up. Once you purchase Addict, there's no renewal fees, free updates for life. You'll have the option to pay using Resell, which does split your payment into 4 separate payments. Once again, if you guys aren't interested, it's going to be linked at the top of the description, addict.io. It's on the screen right here. Sign up for their newsletter. That way you are notified when 3.0 comes out. But let's go ahead and get back into the video. The Instant High Patches hoodie is kind of clean. I'm not going to lie. This is one that I might end up going for, that black or that brown, maybe the gray if I'm desperate. I'm not going to lie. So they got this reverse patchwork zip up sweater, bro. This shit is fire. This is a must cop, one of my favorite pieces this season thus far. I honestly love patchwork. That's one of my weaknesses. And the way that this works on that brownish one, it's just beautiful. Honestly, the black one is hard too. That shit is just mean. This one's a vibe, I'm not gonna lie. The cargo zip off cinch pants are nasty, bro. The gray color or that olive are honestly disgusting. These go from a long pair of pants to a short pair of pants, and the shorts are fire. Honestly, I need these. If I could get them in both colors, these would be on my rotation every year, I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, these shits are hard body in that gray or the olive. Must cop these small box crew necks, which for the first time I feel like they did it better than ever. The two front colors on this, the gray and that baby blue, exquisite, bro. These shits is fire. They look like an overwashed color, and then you do got like that burgundy brown. This one right here, banger. Now we got the tees. We gonna scroll through the tees real quick. I'm gonna do a fire or ass because this is dropping week 1, so I don't really want to talk about it too much in detail. But we got the Al Green. This is this is fire. This is, it's whatever. This is fire. This is kind of ass. I'm not even gonna lie. Shit is dookie, kind of low key. I need to see this in a different color. I do like the little vibe it got going on, the little mixed all over the place vibe, literally, that it got going on this. I kind of like it. I need to see it on a different color, like maybe on a brown. This would be fire, but it's not wowing me right now. This is probably the best tee on this whole shit. He's cleaning the money, you feel me, making it real pristine, real clean and supreme for you. He got the little supreme necklace. Come on, you cannot play with this tee right here. Gas tee is a must cop, definitely fire. Disrespected tee, this shit is ass, bro. Like, come on, bro. Deer tee is kind of dookie, almost looks like they're trying to kill Bambi. I ain't really messing with it. This is like a little hunter sneak peek. I'm good on that though. Let me know what your favorite tee is. I probably like the gas tee the most, the knowledge tee second. Those are the two tees that I for sure need. Like, this camp cap is a vibe, bro. This shit is fire. Normally I don't even like buying camp caps anymore. I'm into the fitted vibe, but I was scrolling through the website and I saw this one and it honestly stood out. This one's beautiful. Comes in like this multi-color, like I don't even know how to explain it, almost like an ad. This shit is sick. I'm about to rapid fire through some of these hats. This shit is ass. This one's not that bad if you're still into snapbacks. If something stands out, I'm gonna stop for it. There's a pinstripe vibe. I see a little, they're wildin'. Von Dutch vibe right here. This one's not that bad, low-key. For all the hipsters out there, we got some shit right here. There's a lot of different hats, and then we get into the fitteds. Y'all know I love my fitteds, so I'm gonna take my little time. Right now I'm leaning towards this navy with the blue. That shit is hard. If I can't get that, I'll probably settle for that Lakers color. That first hat is clean. The little box logo hat, fire. We got the hand style fitted, which is like that puff stitch that we saw in the hoodie earlier. There's this fitted right here, which is the goat one. Honestly, I do kind of like this one, especially in that navy. That is the best one. Then you got the cream with the orange. I feel like I'm gonna go for this fitted in the navy blue. If I go for this one, it would be in the red or purple. This one in that baby blue or the cream with the orange. Those are too clean for me. And then this one in any color, bro. This shit is sick. Like, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. You got the dice, the little trap house. You got a ghost, tan color, the blue, the black. I low-key need all of them. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This shit is beautiful, bro. And then they fucked it up with the mesh back fitted. Like, who the fuck is buying a mesh back fitted, bro? It's gonna rain right onto your head if you wear this shit. Like, we good, bro. I'm gooch on this shit. And then we get into the accessories. Low-key, this is feeling like a part 1 part 2 type video. This shit is long as fuck. Alright, so we about to go through the accessories rapid fire style. Right here we got the Traveler, which is basically a an RV truck with Supreme. Literally a whole house inside this bitch with a whole couch, microwave, all that shit inside the Air Traveler. That's just gonna be like $20,000. We're not even gonna talk about that. We got the area rug, not that bad. Canoes, come on, bro. We good on the canoes. There's a porcelain mirror. Low-key, this shit looks like it comes straight out the 50s. I'm assuming this is gonna be like $5,000 low-key. You got the Rhino trunk, not that bad. I feel like this is gonna be expensive as well. Normally when Supreme does like these collabs and shit, they be like 1,000, 1,500, low-key bugging. Like, I'm good. They got the It's Okay cassette player. Now this is something that I'm a fan of, bro. This is solid. Like, I'm definitely gonna try to go for this whenever it drops. They're dropping the macaroni and cheese Supreme collab. What is going on? Low-key, they got the BB Simmons dog collar coming out, 3 colors out here bugging. You got the BB Simmons dog leash. They coming in heavy, bro. They got water blasters coming out. That's sick. They got Supreme plant planters coming out so you could grow your own plants inside this shit. That's actually clean. They got some chairs coming out which low-key look kind of weird, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but hey, it's another seat if you want another seat in your house. The sticky note molded lamp is beautiful. Low-key, I put that shit right here on this table. There's the Umbro soccer ball, solid, you feel me? Some pillows, set of 3 that spell out Supreme. That's actually clean. I wonder how much they would cost though. There's a Supreme bench coming out. I think that's hard. That's probably my favorite piece so far. Hopefully they're not taxing on this shit. Comes in 2 colors, the black and the red. Honestly, I'd probably go black. You got the cast iron skillet, must cop. Bro, you can make Supreme pancakes every morning. Like, we lit. Got the little porcelain tea set. I'm skipping on that. Portable speaker, which honestly you can't go wrong with. I feel like this will be on the more expensive side, but I guess we just gotta wait and see. There's this little water bottle with the same stickers that were on the fitted. Definitely solid. I think it's just a little playful, different little twist to a Supreme item. Honestly, it's refreshing in a way. But yeah, you got this Supreme knife. When you open it, it has the full Supreme. I do collect the Supreme knives. I feel like they go hard, and this is another one I'm gonna try to get for the collection. There's a pool float coming out. This is probably gonna drop near the summer, but 2 different colorways on this. I think it's hard. They got the whole bandanas coming out. They not playing. Hey, you got the towel. This is beautiful. Honestly, in the black color, I might end up going for this, the beach towel. Bro, they're coming out with a glass spray bottle. Definitely solid. I think I need this shit. I don't know if I'd go for clear or red. Both are definitely must cops, at least for me. They're coming out with chapstick, and honestly, this is my favorite flavor for chapstick. Cherry flavor, if not the mint flavor. That shit used to be slapping too. They got the magic ink markers coming out, which I do think are clean. I love markers, spray paint, graffiti. That's all my type of shit, so this is definitely clean. And I have missed on some of the markers that came out, but it is what it is, low-key. They have these magnets coming out which pay homage to some of their items that released in the past, some of their bigger items at that. The Supreme brick, the cafetera, they got the porcelain doll, and a bunch of other items that they have dropped in the past. They got some gloves coming out. This belt is actually clean. I might have to pick that up, low-key. The Hanes shit we already spoke about. Air Force Ones are gonna keep dropping. I've been trying to tell y'all, don't pay resell for these shits right here, please, bruh. You got this glass level, which I do have the little keychain one, and I be using it low-key, so I'm gonna try to buy this one. They got the lanyard, which I don't really hang keys. This one's actually hard. The keychain knife, this one's clean. I feel like low-key I would put this on my keys. You got the lighter case carabiner, probably sleep on that. Ambigram Supreme logo, keychain, bullet hole pins, all this other shit. Bling logo skate deck. That multicolor one is gorgeous. I honestly think I need that shit in the collection. The Al Green skate deck, probably gonna be dropping week 1. This looks way nicer on a skate deck. I feel like it almost looks like a piece of art. Definitely clean. Honestly, I would sleep on these right here. This one right here reminds me of that label around the paint can, if that makes sense. Like a vintage paint can with the Supreme on it. Let me know if I'm tripping on that one. You got the Lil Kim skateboard. This one's actually not bad. And then you got the uncut box logo skateboard. Wait, what? That's kind of fire. What the f? I might get this one. Then you got the wheels, obviously, and that's it, bro. Low key, that's it. Leave a like on this one if y'all enjoyed. Let me know what your favorite item was. I don't even know when this shit is dropping. I thought it was gonna drop today, but I'm probably gonna have to edit this shit for like a day or two. Probably dropping on Tuesday, and then the drop list the following day. I don't know. We gonna talk about that, but leave a like on this video if y'all did enjoy. And honestly, just for the effort that I'm gonna have to put in to edit this shit, what I had to already put in to film this, because my fucking throat is burning right now, for your pleasure. So leave a like on this video and subscribe down below for more content like this. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.